Hey guys, today we got a 2006 Acura MDX with a 3.5 engine. This is a very common engine on practically many Hondas and Acuras. The Honda Pilot, Odyssey, Honda Accord, Acura MDX, Acura TL, and a few others. So we got a vehicle here. This one is a 2006 Acura MDX. It's got 327,000 miles on it, and it's got a cold start misfire. The car came in with a random misfire on cylinder 1, 3, 5, and 2, and one of the most common problems on these models, especially the J series engines, is that the valve adjustment goes out of spec. So after we did the valve adjustment, all the cylinders cleaned up, except we now have a cylinder number 5, which was being very stubborn. I already went ahead and swapped out the coils, the plugs, and the injectors. And when I say that, I mean I swapped it out of the cylinder number 5 to the rear bank, which is number 3. And I wanted to see if the misfire jumps, but it didn't. So the next step was we went ahead and pressure tested the system, the coolant system. And by the way, this only happens when the engine's been sitting for more than 5 to 6 hours. Otherwise, the car does not miss. It runs really clean. It does not overheat. There's no other complaints whatsoever. So what we did was we pressure tested the system, and we put a borescope camera inside the cylinder number 5, and I hope you can see this, but this is the area right here where the head gasket meets the block and the head. And as you can tell, there's the drips of coolant going inside the cylinder. That should not happen. Let me try to zoom in again. And the rate is very slow, so during normal operations the in-cylinder pressure is a lot higher than that of the coolant system, so it will never overcome the in-cylinder pressure, meaning the coolant will never come inside. However, when you allow it to stabilize, the in-cylinder pressure gets back to 0, the block in the head contracts, and the head gasket obviously is damaged here, or maybe the block or the head is warped, who knows, we'll find out, and maybe I'll make a next video on that. But my point is, you see that it just dripped down. My point is that as you allow it to sit overnight, the coolant gets inside, the client comes in the morning, starts the car up, the car misfires until all the coolant is burned off, and usually it takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Once it burns off, the car runs super clean and it has no issues whatsoever until the next cycle when you allow it to shut off. So there you have it. We're gonna play another. Let me try to get a better view here. There she is. It's about to go right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching.